Welcome to Fujikura's 100S Fusion Splicer training module. In this video, we'll walk through the features, setup steps, and recommended operating procedures for the 100S, Fujikura's next generation active core alignment splicer designed for fast, accurate, field-ready fiber optic splicing. The 100S helps technicians work more efficiently with greater confidence. Its customizable interface adapts to the user, not the other way around, while robust engineering helps deliver consistent high-quality splices in demanding environments. Key features include automated wind protector, tube heater, and splice operation, dual fiber loading to reduce preparation time, an embedded fiber guide for accurate fiber loading, a Splice Coach virtual mentor, customizable splicer setup menus with virtual diagrams, GPS-based tracking and location-based locking, and USB-C charging and data connectivity. Before we move deeper into the setup and operation, it's important to review safety and proper use of the 100S Fusion Splicer. The Fusion Splicer is designed for splicing silica-based optical fibers for telecommunications. Do not use this machine for any other application. Misuse of the machine may result in electric shock, fire, serious personal injury, and equipment damage. During the operation, the electrodes and heater becomes extremely hot. Always treat these areas as hot surfaces and avoid contact until they have cooled. Good PPE habits help protect you from fiber shards, debris, and unexpected events in the work area. Do not operate the splicer with damaged power cords and never use the unit in the presence of moisture, smoke, or unusual odors. We've covered high-level safety topics, but this does not replace the operation manual. Always read and follow the full safety information and instructions provided with the 100S before use. Now we'll take a closer look at everything included with the 100S standard Fusion Splicer kit with CT60 cleaver. Before powering on the splicer and beginning any setup, it's important to familiarize yourself with each component in the kit and understand what it's used for. The kit is shipped and stored in the CC48 transit case. This rugged case is designed to protect the splicer and accessories during transport. Includes a carrying strap for easy mobility in the field. At the center of the kit is the Fujikura 100S Fusion Splicer. This is a core alignment splicing platform you'll use for daily fiber installation, repair, and termination work. The standard kit includes the CT60 cleaver. This cleaver is designed for consistent high-quality cleaves and integrates directly with the 100S to support automated blade management. Power components in the kit include the ACC22 AC adapter, the ACC19 AC power cord, and the BTR19 rechargeable battery. The BTR19 battery is designed for portable field use and support extended splicing sessions when external power isn't available. A pair of spare electrodes is included. These are user replaceable and are normal consumable items during the life of the splicer. The kit includes sheet clamps, which are pre-installed on the splicer, as well as the SP05 fiber holder set plates. These allow you to configure the splicer for sheet clamps, splicing, or fiber holder based workflows. The SS05 single fiber stripper is used during fiber preparation. An alcohol dispenser is included for the fiber cleaning as well, and fiber preparation prior to splicing. The USB O2 cable is used for data transfer, firmware updates, and exploring splice data from the splicer. The work tray J-plate and the TS04A tripod screws allow the splicer to be mounted securely and configured as stable workstation in a variety of environments. The quick reference guide provides a fast overview of basic operation and should always be kept with the splicer for reference in the field. Before beginning any splicing work, it's important to confirm how the splicer is powered and what the system is communicating to you on startup. The Fujikura 100S can be powered using the installed battery, an AC power adapter, or compatible external power source. Always verify that your selected power source is secured before turning the splicer on. To power on the 100S, press the power button. The splicer will begin startup sequence automatically. During startup, the system initializes internal components and prepares the splicer for operation. Allow the startup process to complete without interruption. If the splicer has not been used for an extended period of time, it may automatically perform a heater calibration. This is normal and helps ensure consistent performance. Once the startup is complete, the splicer displays the ready screen. This is the main status screen you'll see before loading the fibers or starting a splice. The ready screen provides a snapshot of the splicer's current state, including operating modes, power status, and system indicators. The battery indicator shows the remaining charge level when operating on battery power. Always check before beginning a job to avoid interruption during splice. The splice mode indicator shows which splice mode is currently selected. The heater mode indicator displays active heating profile for protection sleeves. Additional icons on this ready screen provide system status information, such as connectivity, calibration state, and stored data. When the ready screen is displayed, no warning or alerts are present. The splicer is powered on and prepared for the next steps in the workflow. Operation modes control how much the splicer processes is handled automatically by the splicer and how much input is required from the operator. Think of operation modes as a scale ranging from manual control on one end to full automation on the other. The Fujikura 100S offers multiple operation modes so technicians can match the splicer's behavior to their experience level, job requirements, and environmental conditions. Let's start with the automatic operation modes. In the automatic operation modes, the 100S handles nearly the entire splicing sequence once the fibers are loaded. This includes fiber inspection, alignment, fusion, proof testing, and automated movement of the wind protector and heater components. Automatic modes are ideal for high volume work, consistent fiber types, and environments where speed and repeatability are priorities. Next are the normal operation modes. In normal operation modes, the splicer automatically starts the splice once fibers are loaded, but the operator remains involved at key points in the process. This gives the technicians more control over workflow while still benefiting from automation. Normal modes are a good choice when working in changing conditions or when you want visual confirmed steps before moving on. The 100S also includes a manual operation mode. In manual operation mode, the operator controls each step of the splicing process by advancing the workflow manually. This mode provides maximum control and is typically used for specialized applications, troubleshooting, or training scenarios. Manual mode is best suited for experienced technicians who want full visibility and control over every stage of the splice. In addition to preset modes, the 100S also supports a customized operation mode. Customized modes allow specific automation behaviors to be adjusted, combining elements of automatic and manual workflows. We'll now use the touchscreen to navigate to custom splicer setup and show how to tailor the 100S for personal workflow. Start from the home screen and open the setting menus. We're going to locate the controls that affect how automated the splicer behaves during operation. A common path into these controls is through the splice setting and fundamental settings. The 100S includes pause options such as pause 1 and pause 2, which adds operator checkpoints during the workflow. These pauses are useful when you want extra control, especially while you're learning a process and working in variable conditions. A practical approach is to keep automation high for repeatability conditions and add checkpoints when you want more control. A best practice is to just one setting at a time. That way, you can immediately see how the change affects operation and decide if that matches your preference. Once your automation preferences are set, return to the Ready screen. Splice Coach is a built-in on-screen mentor designed to reinforce best practices and improve consistency. For new technicians, it shortens the learning curve. For experienced techs, it helps prevent small habits from turning into splice quality issues over time. When Splice Coach is active, the splicer displays guidance directly on the screen, so you can check each step as you work without needing to stop for reference or external instructions. Think of it as an on-screen checklist built into the workflow. In this demo, we'll follow the Splice Coach prompts through each workflow step so you can see how it guides your process. Splice Coach reinforces the standard preparation workflow: sleeve, strip, clean, cleave, and load. So the fundamentals are consistent from job to job. Most field failures don't come from one big mistake, they come from small inconsistencies. Splice Coach helps prevent those by keeping your workflow tight. In this episode, we walk through the process for getting the 100S set up and ready to use. In the next episode, we'll dive into the splice process.